Okay, so in this video, let's insert some images and add images to the rest of our pages here. There's another thing that we could do for a little bit more structure, but right now let's insert a couple of images. So I have my index page open here, and I have images, and they're all here. So if you look inside of there, you can see them. So under Files and Images. But there's another way to look at all of your assets, in this case meaning whatever's in your actual folders. So if you go to Window and click on Assets, you'll see that another panel opens up here. And I can click and drag that up and insert that next to Assets. So I could save my current, that way you'll add assets to it if you want to for your workspace. In any case, I can click through these and see what they are. You can make that a little bit bigger. And there's ET. There's In the Name of the Father. So I've named all of these so that I can kind of figure out which ones I want to actually put in here. So for this initial page, my index page, I've kind of decided that I would do a little movie poster for each one of these. And being that these are taken from the web, they vary in size. Most of them are JPEG, and so you can see that one is 612 pixels by 460. So you'll see that they're not all the same size, but I've got a kind of a trick up my sleeve for creating some nice little CSS, or at least one CSS at this time, to make these all kind of equal. So I'm going to place my cursor over here. There's a couple of ways you can insert. As you know, Dreamweaver has various ways that you can do one thing out of. So inserting images is another one of those ways. You can save in several ways. You can add links and things like that. So we're going to go up to Insert, and you'll see here the second one down is Insert Image. So I can do it that way. It'll open up my folders, and I can go to my images and then select It's a Wonderful Life poster. So I want to do the little poster there. I'll open, and you'll see that that kind of jumps in, pushing some of my text down below. So I can actually insert all the ones and then worry about the formatting of this in just a minute. So I'll insert at least 2 images. Now, a couple of things that I do want to point out with images is that they all are under source images. Down over here, you can change the link to that image. So say I had inserted the wrong one, I can go back and insert maybe a different one. So you can swap them in and out easily in your properties. So again, very important tab to have open is your properties. And so I'll swap that back into the poster. I'm going to go down to Toy Story here, and I'm going to show you a different way to insert this. So on your Insert tab, and again, you might have this over in the panels area if you didn't set up your workspace the way I did, and it can be set up any way that you feel that you need to use this folder. For me, I prefer the Insert tab at the very top. So you can go down to or tab over to HTML, and the second one over is image. So you can click there, and it'll take you exactly to kind of insert that image. And I'll try to find one quickly here for Toy Story. Here's the poster. I'll open that one up. And there I have 2 so far. And I'll insert one more for demo purposes. I can insert this way, or down over here, or there's even another way. So remember, we opened up this window for assets, and assets gives you a nice little preview of the image that you want to insert. So I'll go find my Jean the Florette poster. Oh, there it is. I've got 2 of them. So I'll go ahead and select that one and then click Insert, and that'll insert it right where your cursor is. So in the next video, let's apply a little bit of formatting to these images.